find x here, right? Find x here. How do you find x here? Yes, find x here. Then here is a triangle, right? Here is a triangle. I produce these sides. This is 40 degrees. This is this is 40 degrees. This is x. This is 100 degrees. 100 degrees. How to get the value of x here? When it comes to a triangle, then the sum of exterior angles of any triangle, the sum of exterior angles of any triangle is equals to 360 degrees. 360 degrees. What's the reason for that? Then if I am getting then here this, I will draw this triangle in this sense, right? So here, I will get this angle as A, this angle as B, this angle as C. Sum of exterior angles of any triangle is 360 degrees. So A, B, C. Do you know that? What's the reason for that? Then when you cut this angle here, when you could cut this angle here, then cut this angle and get it, paste it here. This is A, and you could measure the value of this angle using a protractor, and this C also can be taken here. I will take it here. This B also can be pasted here, this angle. So A, B, C, some of these three angles, do you know that using a protractor you are able to measure this, the sum of these angles? Then A plus B plus C equals to 360 degrees. Okay, A plus B plus C equals to 360 degrees. So that's the reason of getting, in terms of solving the sums given, then we simplify these sums, it equals to 360 degrees. That's the reason. So angles at a point, that 360 degrees. So anyway, so here we are able to get the value of x, getting an equation here. Here x plus 100 degrees plus, then here you need to get the exterior angle. Then if this is here a straight line, so you could get the exterior angle, that 180 minus 40, which is 140 degrees. Okay, then this angle is 140 degrees. The reason 40 degrees plus 140 degrees equals to 180 degrees, because here is a straight line. So x plus 100 degrees plus 140 degrees equals to 360 degrees. Now using the way that you learned of solving equations, you could get the value of x here, that 100 degrees plus 140 degrees equals to 240 degrees. Then here x plus 240 degrees, you could subtract 240 from both sides. Then you could simplify these two here, and after that, let's get the value of x, that 340 minus 240 here. So 6 minus 4, 2, then 120 degrees is the value of x here. Okay, how to do this type of one? Here is a quadrilateral. I'll change the color of the pen here. Yeah, here is a quadrilateral, right? So what should be the value of y here? This is y. This is 180 degrees. This is 90 degrees. This angle is 80 degrees. Let's calculate the value of y here. How do we calculate the value of y here? In order to find the value of y here, you should be given all the values of exterior angles here. But check this one. Then here it has given the value of the interior angle. Then right now what you need to do, you need to find the value of this angle. Here is a straight angle, straight line. So 180 minus 80, 180 minus 80. Then here is the sum of these two equals 180. So 180 minus 80, 100 degrees. This angle is 100 degrees. Then it has given this exterior angle. It hasn't given this exterior angle. Sorry. So we are able to get this angle as well. Then this is 90 degrees and 180 minus 90, which is 90. So this angle also 90 degrees. This is 90 degrees. Now we are able to set up an equation here. Then considering this given data, so y plus 80 degrees plus 90 degrees plus 100 degrees, 100 degrees equals to 360 degrees, equals to 360 degrees. Okay, equals to 360 degrees. Now let's obtain the value of y here. Yes, we could add these values separately here. Given values can be added here. Then let's 80 degrees plus 90 degrees plus 100 degrees. Yes, 0, 8 plus 9 is 17, then 270. Yes, yeah, y plus 270 degrees equals to 360 degrees. Here is an equation, so you could subtract 270 from both sides. So after that you can get the value of y, that here 360 minus 270, 360 minus 270. So 16 minus 7 16 minus 7 is 9. Yeah, so the value of y equals to 90 degrees. So this is the factors, this is the content that you need to know in this grade, okay, in this lesson.